Accent words vocabulary. About 200 accent words name in English with pictures. Okay, so let's dive into the topic. Listen, read, run, push, pull, move, dance, eat, hug, come, go, kick, climb, clap, cut, hear, lick, knock, hold, share, scold, paint, laugh, feed, sit, stand, walk, wait, think, throw, talk, sing, teach, write, taste, wear, sweep, sneeze, seek, yawn, slap, wipe, cat, call, collect, pee, poop, pick, fight, bite, slip, spit, brush, cry, ask, answer, argue, blow, ride, steal, bath, beg, smell, cook, watch, clean, beat, defend, study, play, hide, wash, awake, attack, chase, put, sell, buy, boil, burn, drown, dip, chew, charge, open, close, enter, descent, cross, exit, water, swing, suck, whistle, swim, wink, come, drink, empty, draw, help, exercise, jump, grab, heat, flip, give, kneel, plant, pluck, pour, pray, tire, pinch, look, stop, scream, announce, bend, lean, iron, mop, lift, leave, sail, string, dig, extinguish, drag, fix, infect, part, rescue, hospitalize, nurse, recover, withdraw, cough, crawl, hunt, vacuum, see, sick, break, drive, fill, fly, dry, follow, gather, range, donate, punch, delete, sleep, snore, care, create, deposit, discover, discuss, meditate, show, show, imagine, eat, shoot, meet, record, repair, swipe, start, finish, stream, dive, freeze, touch, squat, choose, mow, destroy, glow, harvest, hang, lie, grow, backup, transfer, cancel, attach, copy, erase, rise, set, dream, melt, sink, restore, watch, relax, accident, fall, nod, send,